To create the circle transition inside of Adobe Premiere Pro, first of all, we just need 2 clips on video layer 1 running next to each other. So we've got our first clip and our second clip. Then we just want to go into this option here, so project. Then we'll go to this button, which is new item, and then we'll go new color matte. We'll press OK on this, and that should match the size of the sequence. Then we can select a color of our choice. So I'm going to go for a nice purple. Let's go purple. We'll go OK, we can go OK, and we'll drag the color matte onto video layer 2. Now, from here, we're going to select that layer. So we'll select the color matte, we'll go to opacity, and we'll select create ellipse mask. You just want to try and round this off as best as you can. Let's go for something like this. And then you want to place that in the middle. So to do that, I'm just going to turn on the safe margins just so I can get a rough idea. So the center is here, so it doesn't need to be perfect. It can be perfect, but I'm not going to bother. Then we're just going to go into opacity. Mask 1, go inverted. There we go, like this. And you're kind of getting the gist of the effect now. So if we go to mask expansion, if we decrease it, it fills the screen. If we increase it, it's going to clear the screen. So we're just going to go before the clips transition. So like this, we'll go maybe 5, 6, 7. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 frames past that point. We're going to create a brand new keyframe on mask expansion. We're going to go to that point and come back on ourselves by 1 frame. We'll decrease that all the way down so that this now fills the screen, which is here. 2 frames to the right. So this is 1 frame after that cutoff point. Create a brand new keyframe again, and then we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's 8 frames again from here. And we'll copy that first keyframe and paste that there. So if we play this back, you will see this animates down, although that is rather fast. So if you want to slow that down, we'll just move the keyframes apart. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to the left, move that over. Then we'll go to that last keyframe and do the same. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As you can see, this animates in and it animates out. Now this is shaping up. This is looking great, but I'm just going to go into the keyframes. On this first keyframe, I'm going to right click. I'm going to go ease out. And on the second keyframe, I'm going to go ease in. And if you watch the video, you see that looks a lot nicer. It takes its time. It sort of accelerates in and then slows down rather than just stop. Now we'll do the same thing on the next one. So we want to ease out of this. So we'll right click, ease out, and we want to ease in to this one. So just for clarification, we've got out, in, in. Nice. There we go. Looks really good. Now you might notice if we zoom in, so let's go to 400%, we'll zoom down here, it's blurry. Now, in order to fix that, we can just change the mask feather to 0. And now when we play it back again in full screen, there you go, looks sharp. Now from here, I'm just gonna press C on the keyboard and I'm gonna make a cut at that transition point because now I know this cut here is the center of the transition. So I can just move this around and I can have this at any transition point. And I'm also going to go one step further and I'm just going to copy this. I'm going to highlight them both, go Command C, Command V, move that over like this. Then I'm just going to nudge the bottom one over 2 frames to the right. Then from there, we're going to go into effects. We'll go change color. If it would help if I could spell change. Change to color on the bottom one. We're going to go from the purple. We want to change this to hue, lightness, and saturation. And we're going to change it to a different color. So I'm going to go for a blue maybe. Then I'll copy that, paste that onto there. And you'll notice we get this really cool effect happening. And if you wanted that to be on the in as well, then we'll just separate these like this. Just extend that out. There you go. So basically what's happening is we are seeing the blue transition first, So this has already started its journey. And then when the purple comes in, it's just at the start of its journey. So we see the blue first, then the purple follows. They both fill the screen. And now from this point, the purple starts to descend. So the purple started its journey and then the blue's following. So as you can see, these are the different layers. I think it works really well. So there you go. That is the circle transition now complete inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. Hopefully this was helpful. Hopefully you learned something today. And if you did, then please consider pressing that subscribe button because it really does help the channel to grow. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.